This is Mahmudas and Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view, this is the top view, and this is the front view. First of all, I will start drawing from the from the top view. In the top view, I will first draw this center line, and this center line has a dimension of 150 minus 28, and then I will offset this portion, and after offsetting this portion I will close the shape, and after closing the shape I need to draw this circle, and this circle has a diameter of 12 unit, and it has a dimension of distance from 54 unit from this origin and 16 unit from the center line. After drawing this circle I will draw this circle by using the linear sketch pattern. Then I will use the mirror interest tool, then I will mirror other these two circle. So after drawing this circle portion, then I will use the fillet features here and here, and the fillet has a radius of 16 unit. After drawing that, I will use the extrude boss, and extrude boss it to 15 unit. So let's start. So I'm selecting the top plane. Now sketch. Now select the center line here and place the line here and draw a center line of 150 minus 28 unit. Okay, now select the offset entities. Now as you can see, it has a dimension of 56 unit, so it will be 56 divided by 2 unit, 56 divided by 2 unit. And selecting this line, make sure to select bidirectional, cap end and arc. Now press OK. Now select a line and join this 2 point. So after joining this 2 point, select the trim option and trim this line. Now press OK. Now select circle and place a circle here and draw a circle of 12 diameter. Now select smart dimension and dimension it from this origin to this circle is 54 unit. After that, select this circle and this line and dimension it to 16 unit. Now press OK. So now select the linear sketch pattern. Now select this circle, and here you can see these two circles has a distance of 48 unit. Now press OK. Now select the mirror entities and entities to mirror. So select these two circle and mirror about this line. Now press OK. Now it's time for filleting. So we have a fillet of 16 unit. So select a fillet of 16 unit and entities to fillet, select this two line and again select this two line. So it will be filleted. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 15 unit. Now press OK. Now it's time for drawing this portion. For doing this portion, I will first select the front plane, and from the front plane I will draw a vertical line here, and this vertical line has a dimension of 90 unit. Then I will draw a horizontal line, and this horizontal line has a dimension of 29 unit. Then I will draw another vertical line, and this vertical line has a dimension of 90 unit minus 15 unit, so it will be 60 unit. Then I will draw another horizontal line, and this horizontal line will be 105 minus 29 unit. Then I will close the shape and trim all the unnecessary part. Then I will extrude boss it to 12 unit. So I am selecting the front plane. Now sketch, now normal to it. Now select the line tool and place the line to the origin and draw a line of 90 unit. Then draw a horizontal line of 29 unit. Then again draw a vertical line of 90 minus 15 units, so it will be 60 unit. Now draw a horizontal line of 105 minus 29 unit. Now it's time for closing the shape, so I'm zooming here and close the shape. So after closing the shape, select the trim entities to trim all the unnecessary part. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 12 unit and select it from the mid plane. Now press OK. Now in here we can see we have a circular profile in the top view, and this circular profile has a diameter of 40 unit and it will be extrude boss from here to here. Okay, so I'm selecting this top face. Now sketch, now normal to it, and now select a circle and place a circle here and dimension it to 40 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to up to surface and select this surface. Now press OK. So we can see we have another extrude boss here, and this extrude boss has a, if we zoom in, okay, we have a extrude boss here, and this extrude boss has a dimension of 40 diameter, and I will extrude boss it to 5 unit, and we can see we have another circular profile here which is 36 diameter. So for drawing this, first of all I'll draw a dimension of 40 diameter extrude boss of 5 unit. Then I will use the chamfer feature here and chamfer feature here. I will use 2 unit chamfer here and 2 unit chamfer here, which will give us a 36 unit of diameter circle. So I am selecting this face. Now sketch, now normal to it. Now select the circle and place the circle here and draw a circle of 40 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 5 unit. Now press OK. Now rotate here and now go to chamfer and select a chamfer of 2 unit. Now select this line. Now press OK. So it will give us a 36 diameter circle. Now isometric it for a better view. Now here you can see we have a extrude cut portion here, and this extrude cut portion has a circular profile of 30 diameter and a extrude cut of 8 unit. And again you can see we have another extrude cut of 30 unit here diameter, and this extrude cut portion has a 15 unit extrude cut. So I'm selecting this face. Now sketch, now normal to it. Now select a circle and place the circle to this origin, and now draw a circle of 30 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to 8 unit. Now press OK. Now again select this face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select another circle and place the circle to the origin and draw a circle of 30 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to 15 unit. Now press OK. Okay. Now it's time for doing another extrude cut here. So we can see this extrude cut has a diameter of 22 unit. We has a diameter of 22 unit, and we will extrude cut it to through all. So I'm selecting this face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select a circle and place a circle here. Now dimension it to 22 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now OK. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all. Now press OK. For seeing a better view, you can select the section view option here, and we can see our extrude cut has been completely done as well. Okay. Now it's time for doing this another extrude cut hole, and this extrude cut hole has a diameter of 12 unit, and it has a distance of from here to here is 58 unit. So I'm selecting the front plane. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select a circle and place the circle to the origin. Okay. Now dimension it to 12 unit. Now select the smart dimension option. Now select this circle and now select this line. Now dimension it to 58 unit. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all both. Now press OK. So we are almost done. So it's time for doing the fillet. So if we see here in the main sketch, we can see which some portion has fillet. So if we select a fillet of 3 radius, we will get this desired shape. For doing this fillet, first of all I am selecting the fillet option here, and now select the manual option, and now dimension it to 3 unit. Now for before doing the fillet, we can see we have a fillet in here. So this fillet portion, if we see the dimension in here, this fillet option has a 20 unit of fillet. So I am selecting a 20 unit of fillet here. So select this portion. So we are getting a 20 unit of fillet. Okay, so we have done our 20 unit fillet. Now it's time for all the small fillets. So for all the small fillets, we have already told that we need a 3 unit fillet. So I'm selecting the 3 unit fillet. Now select this face. Now select this line and this line. You can select this face also. Now select this circular profile. Now rotate. Now select this line, and just above here select this edge. Okay, now press OK. So our fillet is almost quite done, but we can see we have another fillet portion here, so we need to fillet in here. So I'm selecting the fillet option again. Now this time you need to select the fillet expert option. Now select the 3 radius here and change and propagation, uncheck it. Now select just this edge and rotate, and just select this edge, this 2 edge. Okay, now press OK. Okay, now we can see we have a fillet of our desired shape. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. So as you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.